In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best digital cooking thermometers available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the digital cooking thermometers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the digital cooking thermometers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, INKBIRD IHT-1P Digital Thermometer. The INKBIRD IHT-1P is a waterproof, rechargeable instant read meat thermometer, perfect for grilling, smoking, or baking. With a fast 3 to 5 second response time, backlit LCD screen, and a 250 mAh rechargeable battery, it combines speed with sustainability. The foldable probe and magnetic back ensure easy storage and convenience. Whether you're cooking steak, candy, or milk, the IHT-1P delivers precision, simplicity, and durability in every use. Number 4, ThermoPro TP902 Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP902 is a Bluetooth-connected meat thermometer with a 135 wireless range and dual probes for simultaneous cooking. It pairs with your phone through an app, offering customizable alerts and a backlit touchscreen. Ideal for kitchen use, its accurate probes handle up to 300 degrees Celsius with minimal deviation. A favorite for serious chefs, the TP902 ensures consistent results with its powerful performance and intuitive design. Number 3, INKBIRD IBT-2X/4XS/6XS Thermometer. The INKBIRD IBT series, available in IBT 2X, 4XS, and 6XS, offers Bluetooth wireless barbecue thermometers with up to 6 probes and LED display. Designed for grilling, oven cooking, or smoking, this device pairs with Android/iOS for app-based control. It features strong wireless range, 50-100 m, multiple probe support, and a reliable build. Ideal for meat lovers, it guarantees perfect results every time with precise temperature monitoring. Number 2, Bluetooth Probe Food Thermometer. This wireless probe Bluetooth digital food thermometer brings smart cooking to your fingertips. With support for mobile apps and a clear LCD screen, it provides real-time temperature tracking for your oven, smoker, or grill. Whether you're roasting, grilling, or slow cooking, this thermometer helps you avoid undercooking or overcooking. Its digital precision and wireless convenience make it a top choice for any kitchen. Number 1, BF5 Wireless Meat Thermometer. The BF5 Wireless Bluetooth Meat Thermometer is a digital kitchen essential designed for precision cooking. Supporting up to 6 probes, it's perfect for grilling, smoking, or baking multiple dishes at once. It connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone for real-time monitoring, ensuring perfectly cooked meat every time. With its smart app integration and wide compatibility, this thermometer suits barbecue enthusiasts and home chefs who value accuracy, convenience, and efficiency.